Hello universe, I am Ronny from MRID Programming. যারা বাংলায় প্রোগ্রামিং শিখতে চান এবং বাংলায় প্রোগ্রামিং এর যত সমস্যাগুলো আমাদেরকে জানাতে চান তারা নিচে দেখানো ফেসবুক গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন এবং সেখানে আমাদেরকে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করুন। Okay, today we will start our C programming classes. This is our first class of our C programming classes. Um, Before we start, we will go through some processes that how program works, how this languages came, and how all of this programming started and how this works. Okay, firstly, a computer how works, it actually depends the how the computer works, it depends on the computer's structure. The computer actually process your inputs. Whatever you are inputting in the computer, it is processing your computer your inputs, and if you give the valid instruction, it will execute it. Okay, we will draw something for you that how a computer works. A computer have basically 5 things: processor, memory or random access memory, which is called RAM, then input output device like mouse, keyboard, monitor, then data storage, what we are called now HDD devices, which is data hard disk or hard disk. Then it's software or program. The basic part and the major part is software and program, which helps the user to connect with the processor or convert the user language to processor language or program machine language. Okay, the new word is machine language. What is machine language? We are calling machine language. What is machine language? Machine language is something which is nothing but a 0 and 1. What you are telling to the computer, it will automatically not convert it into 0 and 1. We need to convert it into 0 and 1. That's the process that the compiler does. Compiler convert your language into the machine language. But does the compiler understand our own daily life languages? No. The compiler understand his own language, his own built-in language, which is called the support programming language or something like that. That is, the programmer need to write instruction according to such compiler in his own way to understand the compiler or to understand the machine what he is saying. So mainly in a computer, how does it works? It will do such a way that we draw something like this is our input. From the input, we are going to ask something to our memory term. In our computer, there will be some parts which is memory, processor, and data storage. In memory part, it will give and take. Sorry. In memory part, it will firstly give and take from to the processor. This is the processor, and the processor will also give to storage and take from the storage. This is memory, this is processor, and this is HDD, and this is our input. Okay, The thing that is did by the computer is, when you are giving input, it goes to there, go to the processor, take instruction from the memory or HDD, or process the data, then gives the output to us. Here is the output. Okay, this is the basic things that a computer does. Okay, now we will learn something that how the programming languages came, or how it works. A programming language works through 0 and 1. What you are writing, it will convert it into 0 and 1 and give us the output. Okay, now why this is so much programming language? At first, there are some assembly language or some machine languages that that will work with the computer through the through some so much instruction, uh, not so structured. This was called unstructured programming language, like Fortran, assembly language, etc., etc. Then it came with the structured language that is called C language. Now we will learn about the C languages. Before we go to our C languages process, we need to know something that is high level languages are ADA, then Modula 2, then Pascal, then COBOL, then Fortran, then Basic. This was the high level languages, and then the middle level languages are C, FORT is fourth, and macro assembler. These were the middle level language, and low level languages are assembly. Okay, this is the high level languages, this is the middle level languages, and this is the low level languages. C is a structured language, like Fortran, COBOL, Basic. This was the unstructured languages, and structured languages is Pascal, ADA, C, Modula 2. This is the structured language. Actually, when we will write our program in C, then we will broadly know as or when we will get the differences from assembly or C language or middle level language and high level language, we will get to know the difference, that is how it differs from each other. Now we will learn about something which is called random access memory, and we will shortly know it is as RAM. What a RAM does: RAM is a memory which is located in your processor or in your computer, which is randomly accessed. This memory always access the memory which is not stored in there. It will displaced or removed or erased whenever you have done your work. The work is done, your memory will be gone from there. And another thing we need to know, okay, we will go through the process and learn it as wise. Another thing is bit and byte. Bit is something that is computer related every each and every single section of your memory is called bit, and byte is called every 8 bit called a byte. Each and every section of a memory is called bit, and each every 8 bit is called byte. Okay, thank you for today's basic computer instruction and basic structure of computer. From our next tutorial we will learn C languages, how to write program in C language. Thank you for today.